Hey there, fellow seekers of self-discovery. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about personal growth and unlocking your true potential. In today's video, we're diving deep into the topic of connecting with yourself and finding your purpose. So, if you're ready to embark on an incredible journey of self-discovery, let's get started. Way number 1, find your purpose. You don't have to settle for less than you can be, share, give, or create. Reconnecting with yourself gives you a chance to celebrate your gifts and understand what really drives you. When you know this, the more you can show up for others and the more you can add to the world around you. It's time to determine what really drives you, what makes you feel the most alive, your purpose in life. Ask yourself, when am I the most happy? When I feel the most myself, what am I doing? How do I connect with myself when no one else is around? That's your gift, your essence, the key to how to reconnect with yourself. Way number 2, understand and meet your needs. Your purpose is closely connected to the 6 human needs: certainty, significance, variety, love, connection, growth, or contribution. While every individual has all 6 of these needs, there is one for each person that is the most powerful. The one that drives our decisions and our behaviors, and that when met, makes us feel fulfilled. If you crave contribution, your gift is likely connected to volunteering or doing good in the world. If you crave significance or connection, your purpose in life likely involves family and friends. Once you determine your top human need, you can begin to learn how to reconnect with yourself. Way number 3, find your voice. We tend to think of our voices in a functional capacity, used to communicate, to express ourselves, to entertain. But according to Edwin Coppard, renowned international voice coach and past speaker at Life Wealth Mastery, our voices also present a pathway to authentic self-connection. As a child, Coppard contends, our voices were raw and unadulterated. They were loud, strong, and for all intents and purposes, there was no filter when we spoke. But as we grew up and began to internalize our surroundings and understand ourselves in the greater context, we began to suppress this natural voice in favor of a socialized mind voice. His socialized mind voice disconnected us from the power and energy of our natural sound. When we spoke, we were no longer representing the self, but rather reflecting ideals and personas that aligned with society. And finally, start a journal. Like music, singing, and the power of rhythm and dancing, writing can also play a role in self-connection. Writing about the way your events and experiences made you feel can help you identify and accept your emotions. Writing down your thoughts about current events or what happened to you that day can help you clarify your opinions. Writing down your ideas can make them stronger. As American author Flannery O'Connor said, "I write to discover what I know." You can use it to discover what you know about yourself. The benefits of journaling go beyond how to connect with yourself. It can help you ease anxiety, improve your memory, and transform your mindset. It can help you focus on the positive. It can even help you achieve your goals. In this video, connecting with yourself is a powerful journey that can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. By finding your purpose, understanding and meeting your needs, finding your voice, and starting a journal, you can deepen your self-awareness and establish a stronger connection with your authentic self. Finding your purpose allows you to align your actions with what truly drives you and brings you fulfillment. Understanding and meeting your needs, particularly your primary human need, helps you identify the areas of life that bring you the most satisfaction and fulfillment. Finding your voice involves reconnecting with your natural expression, free from societal filters, and embracing your true self.